Hi, Vladimir Ribakov here. Welcome and thank you for joining me here. Thank you also to everyone that has downloaded the Forex Market Control and left a comment below on this page. I check all the comments and I value them all. Today I want to share with you another system that I have called Forex Directional Edge. There is no catch whatsoever, and this is another profitable trading system I use myself. I'm sure you will enjoy it and find value in it. On the page below, you will be able to download the report so that you can get started trading with it right away. If you miss downloading the Forex Market Control, you will find it on the page below also. Please check them out and leave a comment below on this page. Just by leaving a comment, you get a chance to win some fantastic prizes. Be sure to watch out for any messages from me over the next few days where I will reveal even more. Let me now show you how to use the Forex Directional Edge. It's really easy, and I will demonstrate to you some examples on how to trade it. Don't forget to leave your comment below. Okay, so now I want to show you how to install the Forex Directional Edge, how to use that in live. So after you have downloaded your installation file, double click on it. It will open the installation video for you. Click yes. Next, choose the MetaTraders you want to install them, but first of all accept the agreement. Choose all the installation platform you want to install it on, and once you choose the ones you want, that's where you click your next. When you click next, it will go and install everything for you on the requested MetaTraders. Click next, and then you can choose to run your MetaTrader right after the installation and choose the one that you have installed it on. So from here you can select it or don't select it and open your MetaTrader by yourself. You click finish accordingly, and the next step is to open MetaTrader. So here we are, MT4 is up, installation fully done. Now what we need to do is to attach the template to the chart. So we right click on template and we choose the Forex Directional Edge. After you click on it, this is what you will get. And now let me tell you what you can see on the chart. So you have chart and you have a histogram and also a dashboard choosing the direction based on the Bollinger Band systematical direction we choose, and it happens all behind the scene. So you have nothing to worry about the higher time frames. Everything happens here. And this histogram belongs to the Forex Directional Edge and will help us to make decisions. More, you can read about it in the menu. Now, you can design the time frames you want to trade with. To do that, you right click on the chart, go to indicator list, and inside the Forex Scorpio Directional Edge, you choose what will be your highest time frames, two of the highest time frames. The right one is the biggest one, the middle one is the middle one, and the left one is the current time frame we will want to trade. So if I want to rely on daily and 4-hour chart directions, I choose daily and 4-hour. If I want to rely weekly and daily, I choose weekly and daily. The higher the time frames you choose, the less signals you might get, but they will be considered more reliable because you join the highest forces, the main forces of the market. Daily and 4-hour are great, 4-hour and 1-hour are great. The combination that fits you most, if you want to scalp, of course it has to be on the current directions, which could be defined and designed by the 1-hour and 4-hour chart trading. So I chose the daily and the 4-hour chart in that example, and this is what we do. I choose what time frame I will trade. I could trade a 4-hour, I can trade a 1-hour, I can trade 30 minutes, I can trade whatever I want. But what I need to do is to choose it first of all. So after I did choose the direction and I want to go for sell, for example, like in this trade, the only thing I need to do is to make sure I have here two red lights. which means it's very bearish. It will tell you bearish right here on the dashboard, and when the current time frame turns as a signal, you'll get it very bearish. So on the current time frame, once I get these two done, the current time frame, what I need to do is the prices to go above the Bollinger Bands and then below the Bollinger Bands again to close below the 20 and 80. So in other words, let's increase the charts a bit. Like in this example, the prices went up above the Bollinger Bands and crossed down again right here to close below the Bollinger Bands. In that case, I enter my sell and I run the trade to the direction I want to go. I set my take profit to be twice bigger than my stop loss, which is above the last high, and I enjoy the full ride of the full trend. So the summary is very simple. When you get these two red, you are ready to go and sell on the current time frame you choose to trade, 4 hour, 1 hour or lower. So the lower the time frame you want to trade, the lower the combination of these two higher time frames you need to get. So if I trade with the daily and 4 hour chart direction, I can trade easily on the 1 hour chart. If you want to trade a 50 minutes or 5 minutes, or if you want to even try and scalp volatility of the market, then you can easily design yourself 1 hour and 4 hour chart combination and try to ride it. So what we do now is we are waiting on the current time frame we trade the prices to go above the Bollinger Bands and then below the Bollinger Bands again to close below the middle. Once we close below the middle, we enter a trade. Protection is above the last high and take profit is twice bigger. Now let's see example for the buy. In this example, this is the Euro Pound. Again, I can choose my higher time frames direction. The higher there are the combinations I trade, the less signals I will get, but the more reliable they will be. And the lower the time frames combinations I rely on and I use, the more signals I will get, but they will be less reliable because they are much more noisy. So that's why we don't really go down to, let's say, 15 minutes or 30 minutes time frame combination. We always will want to go with at least 1 hour and 4 hour chart and aim to do it higher. For scalping, it's best to do with 1 hour and 4 hour chart direction. Try and enjoy the very current momentum. So in this example, I still go with the daily and 4 hour chart. I want to trade my 1 hour chart. Okay, so what I do is I'm waiting to get these two to be green. Once they are green, I know the daily and 4 hour chart match. So what I want to see now is on the current time frame, the price to go below the Bollinger Band, the lower Bollinger Band, and then go up again and to close above the middle. Once it happens, I enter the trade and I put my take profit to be twice bigger than the stop loss right here. You can see right here we got another example before. Cross below, up again, and another profit. Cross below, up again, and another running trade all the way to the profit. So that's also a way to do add-ons and go and make additional entries. And the best part here is the risk reward, because for every trade you are wrong, there is one trade to pay you twice bigger. And even 50%, even though this system is much more successful, even 50% would make you tons of profit just by respecting the risk reward. For every one trade you risk, you can earn twice bigger profit. And that will lead you all the way up to grow and grow and grow with the trend. So this is the Forex Directional Edge. Very simple, classical system, Bollinger Band based, with a very simple design for you dashboard to let you know when all the conditions met. There is also a history that could be helpful for us for decision, and you can learn more about it in the manual. So that's all. That's how we install it. That's how we use it. Now it's your time to take an action and enjoy the full power of the Forex Directional Edge. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you soon.